Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making peppermint bark, so please stick around and watch this video. Ingredients are: I have some candy canes, some white chocolate or chocolate, 4.4 ounce to 4.4 ounce of chocolate, white chocolate. I have 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate morsel, and I have some peppermint essence, and these are my ingredients. First, I'm gonna start by melting the dark chocolate, and over a pan with boiling water, I'm gonna add the dark chocolate, and I'm gonna leave it to melt. You want all the chocolate to be melt and smooth and silky. Have a smooth silky look. Now you want to go ahead and line your container with some parchment paper so that the chocolate don't stick to the bottom. And now I'm just going to pour in the chocolate. Now I'm going to spread this out. Go ahead and put this into the freezer to chill for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and melt the white chocolate. Now that the white chocolate is melted, I'm going to go in and add half teaspoon of peppermint essence. Smelling awesome. And now I'm just going to combine this. Go ahead and break these candy canes up. I'm going to go ahead and pour the chocolate on top. Now I'm going to go in with the candy cane. And you're going to add as much as you want, or however you like it. I'm going to add a lot because I like a lot. Especially when I add this into my hot chocolate tea. I love it. And you're going to love it too. So I'm just adding a lot to mine because I like a lot. Okay, and you came too. So now I'm just going to put this into the fridge to freeze for about 20 minutes or harden up. The chocolate is hardened, and now I'm going to cut this up into cubes or square or however you like it. Now I'm just going to cut this up into small squares. Ooh, it's smelling good. You guys, this is so simple and easy to make, not hard, and way more cheaper than the store. So we're just gonna cut them up into small bites. There you have it, guys, my peppermint bark, my homemade peppermint bark. They're looking delicious, nice, and tasty. If you already reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and make yourself some peppermint barks. Happy holidays, guys, and now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Taste it, Moya. And look, you have on a peppermint blouse. How it taste? Good. You like it? And these are delicious to give as gifts and put in your hot chocolate tea. Bye guys, thanks for watching.